This screencast is going to show you how to create a Google Classroom. Now I realize that some of you may have already created your Google Classroom and some of you may not have at all. So anyway, I'm going to still go through the basic steps here for you. So to begin with, you want to make sure that you log into Google Chrome. And once at Google, you're going to notice down here your most recent applications that you might have used, and Classes is there. But if it's not there, then we're going to go up to Google Apps in the upper right corner, and we're going to drop it down, and we're going to pan through, and we're going to look for Classroom. And there it is there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take me to my classes. So yours might look a little bit different than mine. Yours might include classes that you've already taught using Google Classroom, or it might be here those classes that you are currently developing at Google Classroom. To begin a new class, though, you want to go to the upper right and click on the plus sign, and you'll get a drop down that says Join Class or Create Class. This time we want to choose Create Class. So from here, it's going to give you, now you might get different directions here. And if you do, you need to give me a call. But typically what's going to happen here, it's going to ask you to create a class. So in this one, I'm just going to name my class Practice. And you'll put the name of your class in there and section number. Usually for the education department, there's 00. The subject is, what is your subject that you're teaching? Is it language arts? Is it mathematics? Is it education, or whatever it is? And room down here, you can put online or at a distance or whatever you choose is appropriate for the type of class that you are teaching. I'm not going to fill these in right now, but I'm going to ask it to go ahead and create my class. And in a minute here, it will create. I'm hoping. There we go. So there you go. It's created my class. It gives me a class code, and it gives me a Meet link to generate a Google meeting, although we're going to ignore that. Now, if you want to change this background, you can do so. You can choose Select Theme here, and it will give you all types of theme options that you can choose through. And you might want to look them over and choose one that feels right for you. Okay, I'm just going to switch to anything right now and select class theme. And so you can see that it changed there. Okay, that is just the basics right there. The next validation will have you do other steps here, but I just wanted you to get an idea of how to create a classroom at Google. Now, if you're teaching one class, you may want to create all of the classes at this point, unless you've already started to create them. Now, if you have any problems with creating a class, I'm here, so either send me an email, or if we are meeting online, stay after a little bit longer, and I can assist you with that.